Hello and welcome to this unboxing and quick overview of the Mistel MD600 Alpha Split Alice keyboard. Mistel have kindly provided this keyboard for me to take a look at, so big thanks to them, and let's begin it. Up first we'll just be simply unboxing it and taking a look inside. But before we do that, we'll just take a look around the outside. So on the side we have some key features of this particular keyboard. So it includes sound absorbing foam, Bluetooth, RGB lighting, PBT double shot keycaps, inbuilt macro functionality, USB Type-C, and although not mentioned here, replaceable key switches. The other side shows the configuration of this particular box model. But let's open it up. So inside you get the manual, the keyboard itself, which we'll just take out of this little protective sleeve. This model continues the split design favoured by Mistel, but in the Alice layout. You also get gold-plated USB cables. The USB-C here first to connect the two halves together, and a USB-A to Type-C to connect the keyboard to a PC if you don't want to use Bluetooth. You also get a little bag of magnetic feet and two screws to connect the two halves more permanently. Although not shown here, you should also get a key cap removal tool. Not sure why it wasn't included, but I'll let them off. Taking a look at the halves of the keyboard, on the main half, the left hand side, you get two USB-C ports on the back, one for connecting to a PC and one for connecting to the other half of the keyboard. On the side you have the power switch and the Bluetooth pairing button. Underneath you have dip switches which allow you to change some of the features of the keyboard, such as swapping buttons around. The second half, or the secondary half even should I say, has posts for connecting the two halves together a bit more permanently. See, this is where the screws will be located, and you can also see the little receptacles and grooves for the magnetic feet. The same USB-C ports, one for a PC connection as well, but this one is only used for firmware updates rather than actually connecting to a PC. This has been the standard for Mistel keyboards that are split design for quite a while now. just want to say a big thanks to Mistel for sending the keyboard out. I will be doing a full review with pros, cons, everything over the coming days, and hopefully have it up at the end of the week, which will have my full sort of experience with the keyboard. But again, yeah, just thanks to Mistel for sending this out so I could take a look.